your mind, boy. Not gon' waste your time, boy. Gon' make it mine.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew, because we're the best crew. So yeah, it is Monday, fresh start, new vlog. So yeah, if you haven't checked out my moving day vlog and my first week of classes vlog and my last vlog, definitely check it out. It's lit and I had a lot of fun. So yeah, this is a new start to the week. I went to yoga and it really set a good mood for my day. And so basically she was like, set an intention for your day, be intentional. So my intention is to be productive, like intentionally be productive all throughout the day. So I went to yoga, check, you know, worked out, check, lower body day. What else did I do? Oh, I came back, you know, showered, all that kind of stuff. But while I was showering, I was also doing laundry, so that was in the washer. Then when I came out, I put it in the dryer, got ready, took it out the dryer, folded my clothes, put it away, cleaned up my room, about to take out the trash. I ate breakfast and lunch from leftovers I had. So for breakfast I ate some French toast I had left over from when I saw my mom in the last vlog. And then I also got JJ's fish and wings, I think that's what it's called, but it's like a really big popular place or whatever. I went with my friend yesterday after my volunteer training, and so yeah, I had leftovers from that, so I had that for lunch. I was gonna get some more lunch, like see what they have in the caf, maybe like a salad or something, or if, you know, I wanted something else, but I'm really not that hungry. And yes, so I'm just going to head on out, go head to Cosby as usual. After yoga, all my classes start off in Cosby, or they end off in Cosby or end off in Giles. But so on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, I only have classes in Cosby, and Tuesdays and Thursdays I have classes in Cosby, then Giles. So yeah, I always head to Cosby first, and I'm a little early, actually like 40 minutes early. So I'll just be doing work in like one of the computer labs or some little area in Cosby. I just find a place and just start doing work. Yeah, basically I'm just gonna get ahead, because if you're not ahead, then you're behind, okay? But yeah, so I feel really great. I feel really great about today, this week, this semester. So yeah, I definitely encourage you guys to, you know, get ahead, be productive, don't procrastinate. Like, I know it's hard, but it's the beginning of the semester. Go ahead, start off strong, because y'all know halfway through, around homecoming time, you want to be already at the top of your game. Like, even get ahead before homecoming, and then homecoming week, you don't have to be stressed out, because that's not fun, because homecoming week is lit. So yeah, anyways, let me stop rambling. I'm about to head to Cosby, take out my trash and all that stuff, and I'm gonna have a great day. I hope you guys have a great day. Comment down below what y'all doing today. I just want to know. I just want to know. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Okay, hey y'all. So we're going to this dance class hosted by the AUC agency. But yeah, it's like a sexy hip-hop dance class, heel dance class. So yeah, we decided to do that because why not? But yeah, we're walking there now. Right, and it's free. So college students' favorite word. I'm dead. Canceled. Not free and canceled. Yes. Class got canceled for me next Wednesday. And how'd you feel? And I was like, yes, because I don't have to see her till next Wednesday, because Labor Day's on Monday. There you go. I was like, yes, we love it. But yeah, so we're walking there now. It's at King's Chapel on like the top floor. So yeah, we're walking there now. I'm sweating because it's hot. Yeah, it's hot, and we just feel good. I got this sweater on, but it's hot. I'm dead. But yeah, so I'll see if I can catch some footage of us trying to attempt to dance. Hey y'all, so I'm in a rush, but it's Tuesday. Had fun at the dance class yesterday. So yeah, we have sophomore seminar now. First sophomore seminar is gonna be in Cosby Auditorium, and y'all know I'm on the opposite side of the campus of Cosby, so yeah, I'm rushing. But yeah, let me show a little outfit of the day. It's just this dress. Sorry about this mirror. This mirror been here. It's not mine really, but yeah, and just these sandals. So yeah, just a little sundress, cause you know dresses are easy, slip on, slip off, you know, great. So yeah, but to head to class, don't be late, kids. So hey y'all, it's kind of dark, but I'm done with my 3 classes of the day. So yeah. All right, so hey y'all, it's later. It's like 7:30 I think now, but yeah, I've changed out of the fit, you know, got comfortable. Definitely, you know, follow me on Instagram if you want to see some flicks, you know. It was lit today. I felt cute, you know, sun-kissed or whatever. But yeah, I am about to head to the caf to eat some dinner with Lex. I'm meeting her there. She's just leaving her class. So yeah, I'm about to head there. Then I was doing some work. I don't know if you can tell, but I was doing some work. But you know, I need some food in my stomach because I'm starving. So yeah, that's where I'm about to head to now. Yeah. I'll talk with you guys later. Hey, what's up y'all? So it is Wednesday. Don't mind my hair, it's drying of course, but yeah, so it's the first Hump Wednesday. I don't know what's gonna happen because it's supposed to rain. Like right now it's kind of sunny, but it was really cloudy earlier while I was getting ready. But y'all, my first class, well, yoga, was canceled. We weren't gonna do anything but a pre-assessment, so it would have been like 5-minute class anyway. But yeah, I guess something happened, so she wasn't there today, so class was canceled. And also my 3rd class of the day is canceled too because we have a quiz, like an online quiz, so she just canceled class for that. So yeah, I only have 1 class today. Feels like a Friday because I only have this class on Friday, Spanish. So yeah, I'm about to go to lunch, fried chicken Wednesday, and then go to class, and then come back, take my quiz, and then we'll see how the weather is for Hump. But I'm really excited. Like, I wanted to go and, you know, film for you guys, you know, Hump Wednesday. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't know, but I'll keep y'all updated and take y'all along if we go. So yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. So y'all, I am done with class. I'm just chilling. I found this little angle. I like this. It's like sitting on my like windowsill. I have my earbuds in. I was listening to not listening to, but watching Sister just ran a rerun. But yeah, I'm just chilling, you know, in the room. I only have 1 class today, A1. Fried chicken Wednesday was, you know, the usual. It was all right. And yeah, I think tonight it's gonna be Hump After Dark, so that means it's like later. I think it's like 7 or 7:30 to 10. Apparently it's gonna be 2 Chainz, but I'm not gonna even, I don't know, because rumors, I don't know, you never know. But it'll probably be somebody performing, but I don't know who. But yeah, we shall see. I'm really just chilling, giving myself a little break because I have to take a quiz for my class that was canceled for 3. I have a quiz, an online quiz, so I'm gonna take that at like 2:30, and then I'll kind of be done with classes for the day. But I'm gonna take a little nap after my quiz so I can be up and ready to do some work for tomorrow, because I have like 2 quizzes tomorrow. Like every Thursday I have quizzes in both of my classes for the day, which is kind of annoying, but because like we don't have a break in between those 2 classes. It's literally a 10-minute break, and I have to walk all the way to another building on the 3rd floor. So yeah, it's kind of annoying because I don't know, every Thursday I'm gonna have 2 quizzes and the only 2 classes I have for the day. So but yeah, I'm really behind on editing because I've really been trying to like get into this work. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do that later tonight. So yeah, by now you've probably already seen the vlogs before this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna start some editing and pre-upload and all that good stuff. that YouTubers do. But yeah, so I'm really just chilling. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys because why not? I really hope Hump is lit because I want you guys to experience Hump, a lit Hump. Because not every Hump and not every market is lit. So yeah, we shall see. It's the first one, so it'll probably be lit. So yeah. Hey y'all. Hey. Yeah, we're going to Hump, the first Hump. We shall see who's performing. We don't know, but yeah, we're walking there. It's deep.
Oh
so
my God.
We shall see.
Oh,
You've never.
Baby.
Wait.
It's not Lil Baby.
Oh.
No,
I'm not telling y'all. Oh, we'll see.
So then who is it? Now
We can't put it.
I thought it was. You can't hear stop.
You know how we do it the right way. We're at Morehouse, Big 10. Drip God. Let's get it.
Oh, it's clear.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. What you get? What you get? What you get? What you get? I'm already got me a minute. Let that cool. Run a little bit. Hit it, hit it. I got some cash. I want to spend it. You got a tag. You want to rent it. 2 minutes. Get on my way, make me slide, you this slow. Yeah, hey, we got ties, you don't lie. We got ties, you don't lie. You don't come on my God.
She said, take it. I said, no, I'm too real. She started playing her role. Bitch, they got too real. I'm tired of my dress. Them cut off in her legs. Money, baby, money, baby. Money, baby. Money, baby, money, baby. I know all the words. Where you wanna go? Tell me what you wanna do.
Sing to the ladies!
Baby, just be comfortable.
I see you ladies!
In the deep.